Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, I'm in Newark and I need to get to Nottingham. I found a park up on Park for Nights. It's 7:15 at night. Let's hit the road. Let's go! Right, I am at tonight's park up. There we go, there's the motorhome. It's just a car park, just in Nottingham. Here is the local council building, and I believe that thing there is a sports centre. There's a big field around here. There's a vet's over there, so it's just, and then there's a housing estate over there. So a bit random. Obviously, I am quite large for the parking space, but I've left a little bit of room there, so if someone does block me in, I can move over and swing out. So this place is like a grasslands for wild butterflies. I'll show you that in the morning because it's a bit dark at the moment. But yeah, I'm the only one here. There was another van lifer here just a minute ago. I was just talking to her, and I think she's gone to get some food. Friendly enough. Yeah, first time she's been here, first time I've been here. Don't know if it's going to be busy in the morning or not. I'm assuming it's for dog walkers, really. I have noticed the police go whizzing past 2 or 3 times with their lights on. So that's one to consider, I suppose. Let's get in, get the heating on, get some food going, and let's have a quick catch up, shall we? There's a dog next door. There's another van lifer with a dog. That's cool. What have I been up to? What have I been up to? So this weekend, now you can see I'm a bit rosy cheeked. No, it's because I've been in the sun, and I got a bit of a suntan. Again, always happens. As soon as the sun comes out, I go pink. So I was hanging out with Luke and Amy from the Nomad Pair and Shane. We all met up at Little CS because I've been, previous to that, I've been in Oak Tree with Mevy and we've done some filming for an absolute banging video, which is absolutely spot on. You are gonna love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, so yeah, we met up on a CS, Blenheim Farm CS in Nottingham. We met up because I'm gonna be launching a new channel, a fishing channel. Shane's going to be working with me on it. I'm going to be doing loads of fishing. It won't just be me. He'll be going out doing some fishing as well. So yeah, we had a meeting about that. Luke's a fisherman, so I was getting some advice from him. And yeah, just a bit of a brainstorm really. And you know, he's going to do some bits and bobs if he's about to do some fishing as well. So yeah, we're all going to be chipping in because I don't want to dedicate this channel. I don't want to swamp this channel with fishing. So I want to move it to another channel. You'll still see little bits and bobs. So if I go to a campsite with a fishing lake, I will say, hey, this is a nice campsite. Here's what I'm doing, and here's what the facilities are. This is what I call yeah, because if I went fishing, but go check it out on the other channel if you want the full video. So yeah, we done that, and then I left on Sunday, followed Shane straight back to Newark, and then we done a couple more afternoons of fishing. And that's when I left just now back to Nottingham because I need to pop into Oak Tree again just for about half an hour just to get some drone footage because all last week when I was there, it was piddling down with rain and it was not good. One, you can't really fly a drone in the rain, and two, you get pants footage, absolute pants footage. But I need some drone footage just for a video. The joys of being a YouTuber, eh? So you've got to run around and just go back and get some footage that you need because you need it. So I'm in this area, so I'm going to pop back there tomorrow, grab the drone footage, and then I'm going to hightail it to Peterborough, ready for the show for one, but two, I need to find a laundrette tomorrow. I've got washing to do, and then I can go to the showground and get ready for the show to start on Thursday evening, but we're talking Friday. So I think Thursday night is entertainment, and then Friday the show starts. So yeah, and I've got talks all weekend, which is brilliant. Can't wait. Gonna get up quite bright and early. I'm gonna try and get some drone footage of here, show what this place is like, and then I'll hit the road, get over to Oak Tree. If there is anything exciting happening tonight, then I will share the footage with you. I'll obviously turn the camera on, film what's going on, and yeah, we'll go from there. And if not, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. Great little park up. Yeah, no problems last night. Another van lifer was there as well. I had a great chat with her. That's one thing that this community is amazing for, and it still gets me, always gets me, is we bumped into each other in this car park last night, never met each other before, and I believe her name's Claire. I'm hoping that's right. And just had a great conversation, great chat, got on house on fire. Because we're like-minded and we enjoy the same kind of stuff, it's just crazy. You can do that with so many people, and I've done that with so many people before. It still gets me every time that happens. But yeah, this is the park-up. First time I've ever seen this sign about releasing helium balloons and sky lanterns. I know why, but I've never seen an actual sign about it. But here's the butterfly board I was trying to show you last night in the dark. So I assume this is all for butterflies. It's a bit of a random car park really, because I mean there's a housing estate over there, big commercial buildings over there and there, and it's just a car park with no height barrier, which is amazing, just plonked here. I assume for dog walkers really, and for people wanting to walk. I don't know how far the walks go down, I really don't, but it's a great little park up. Worked well for me last night. Now it's now 8:45, gonna hit the road straight to Oak Tree to get some drone footage. I had to rather abruptly pull over in this Shell Esso garage because even after 6 years I still can't seem to do my fridge up. Damn it! Fridge put away, everything put away, and the latch is on. Looks like one of my trays broke though. So that's great. Right, let's continue. At Oak Tree, right. Now it's time to not mess around, get some drone footage, and then get back on the road. So I've got a busy day ahead, and I need to get a wiggle on. There's definitely a reason I got DJI Care Refresh when I bought this new drone. Because I'm an awful pilot. I just clipped a cable. Didn't fall out of the sky, but it kinda, I don't know if you can see that, it kinda damaged the, they're meant to be straight. Need to find a laundrette because I have got tons of washing to do and I'm away for the weekend, so I need to get it done today, ready for the weekend. I don't know about you, but I haven't eaten yet today and I am starving like Marvin. And I do love, and I don't get to go often, an OK diner. So I see a sign for one, and I thought I'd pull over, have a quick bit of brunch, like where it's 12:30, so it's going to be lunch, but I haven't had breakfast or lunch, so I'm going to have some, maybe sausage, bacon and egg or something, and then continue on. Why not? Oh, there we go. So I've just ordered. They'd only one downside is they don't do Pepsi Max. So I ordered Coke Zero, which is bottomless. So that's one thing, I suppose. But it just means I can drink more of the horrible. Oh, there's a laundrette here. Oh, I should have put my washing in whilst I'm eating. Oh, sweet. I'm going to do my laundry over there. Then I don't have to go find an actual laundrette.
Okay, lovely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Coke Zero. I think it's a glass of ice more than that. Definitely no ice next time. So I've ordered sausage, bacon, egg and mushrooms because I'm not eating carbs. There's going to be a little bit of carbs in the sausages, but hey-ho. It's no bread, it's no pasta, no sugar. It's going good. Oh, that really hit the spot. Look at that. Clean plate. just what I needed. Wasn't the cheapest, I suppose. Our drink was almost £4, so it was £13.90. So yeah, £14. So £10 for breakfast. I think it's because I didn't actually have a set breakfast. I just said I'll have a couple of sausages, cut the bacon, cut the eggs. So they charged them all individual, I think. So, but fill the hole. I do like an OK diner. Now I'm going to get the motorhome, spin it round to the other side, and go do some laundry. Just had a quick look over the machines. They're actually bigger than the normal ones. I think they're newer ones. They're 20 kilo drums. So they've got a smaller one, but they've got the bigger one. Is 20 kilo dry and 20 kilo wash, obviously. So I'm going to have a look at how much I've got and probably just chuck it the 20 kilo. Right, just changed my top because I wore the other one for a day or so. So I thought I'd chuck that one in the wash. So that's fine. 2 big bags of washing. I've got a hoodie and all that in there, so I thought I'd chuck them in. Living the dream. There we go. Ignore. Okay, so I've got some sanitizer or something. I assume that's, I don't know. It's £2.50 more. Whee. Washing's being done there. Motorhome's there. Okay, it's not the most luxurious of places, but I ate there and then I saw it, so it was meant to be. Right, I'm gonna go chill on the sofa whilst that washes, and then I should get a text message. This is a bit like a video I've done years and years and years back. Whilst I'm waiting for the laundry, I'm gonna quickly do a little bit of housework. So I'm gonna wipe all the sides down, clean them all off, then dust them all, and then quickly hoover. And then it's all nice and fresh, isn't it? Just had a text message from the washing machine saying the washing is almost done. It's doing its nut, and it says 13 minutes until it's done. It's a bit premature of it, so I'll go back in. Oh God, wind. Washing's drying. £7, £7.50, I think that was. So we're at like 20 quid, £21. Not too bad, especially as it was right here. I didn't have to go in town and fight with car parks and then sit in little laundrettes and all that. Oh, I've taken most of the stuff out, so all the underwear, socks and that, and a few like small t-shirts and things that are done, tea towels, floor mat, bath mats, they're all done. So I've taken them out, and it's just things like the jeans and the hoodie, and some of the thicker stuff that's in there. So I thought I'd put it on for 15 more minutes on high, which was £3.50. So I think I'm in at like 24 quid, something like that. But hey, has to be done. Have to smell good, didn't you? Now I'm going to hit the road, head down to Peterborough, and get to the showground. Let's go. I was well happy that that there was a laundry here right where I've eaten. That's saved me so much aggro in town. So much aggro. Well pleased. I'm currently on a weighbridge in Dalton Seeds in Peterborough. I think they're charging me 20 quid to do this, so yeah, I'm just on the weighbridge now. The guy's over there weighing it in the machine. I thought I'd come and have it checked whilst I'm in the area, and I've got done pretty quick today with all my stuff. So a little Google, see where a weighbridge was. Just want to see how much it is. I've got half a tank of fuel. I think I've got 3/4 of a tank of water. I'm in it. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of stuff in it. Bits and bobs that are not staying in it, but I can calculate the weight of all that. So hopefully we're not too heavy. Yeah, we'll see. I wanted to just see what we're at, so thought I'd come here and go. But 20 quid, 20 quid. I want you to put your guess in the comments below. How much does Bertie weigh? How much does the land yacht weigh? I want your guess in the comments right now, and I'm going to tell you in the next episode. I'm going to keep you all waiting. I'm going to be mean like that. I will show you the docket, but I want all your guesses in the comments right now. Come on. The person that gets it spot on, I will give them a merch pack. I'll give them a t-shirt, a beanie and stickers and everything. The person that gets it spot on, I will give something to. The first person that gets it spot on, if they do, I will give them a beanie and some stickers. So get commenting right now. Come on, what does the land yacht weigh? If you are in the Peterborough area and you need to get weighed, then Dalton Seeds are probably the only one round here that I found that was open, and was open till 5 o'clock. Is public weighbridge, so you just enter obviously there. You line up with the front, go in, tell them that you want it weighed, and tell them that you want the front axle, then the rear axle, and then they'll give you the combined weight as well. I didn't know that, so it took a little bit of rejigging and getting back on there. But yeah, you just drive straight on, drive on slowly. Obviously mine is a long old beast, so I just had to go really gently before, because obviously I didn't want the back end bottoming out, and then yeah, you just go on there, they'll take the reading, and then they'll come out. You go into the front desk, give them 20 quid, and then they'll give you they'll give you your docket. Right, I have just got to Peterborough. I am on the grass. I'm parked up. It's a little soft. Don't know what's going to happen. Tash is here. She's just got here in her new little van. And I'm going to leave it here. So I'm going to crack on with this weekend with the show. I've got lots of business to get on with. Bits in the van, some cooking, some speaking, loads of stuff to do. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.